Meaning of Ernie Wise.
Ernie Wise.
Ernie Wise.
Ernie Wise.
Ernie Wise. Ernie Wise was an English comedian, actor, and writer who rose to fame as one half of the comedy duo Morecambe and Wise. Along with his partner Eric Morecambe, Wise entertained audiences in the UK for over 4 decades, becoming one of the country's most beloved entertainers. Wise's comedic style was characterized by his sharp wit, impeccable timing, and ability to play the straight man to Morecambe's zany antics. Although he passed away in 1999, his legacy as one of the greatest comedians in British history lives on.